Hey, what's up guys? This is Vicky here, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make 5k a month using high ticket affiliate marketing. Okay, I'm also gonna show you what traffic you will be using, what program you will be using, and how much will be the commission. Okay, but before guys I show you the exact system, let me show you that other people are getting results with it, and other people are making those big commission. Okay, so as you can see here guys, this person by the name of Scott, he made $447 today, and this one is from high ticket affiliate marketing that I'm going to show you right now. Okay, and if I show you, here is another person, she made on 9 January, she made about $1122. Okay, this is from one single sale. Okay, and if you go on to the next person, you can see Tuesday 11 January, she made $1122 again. As you can see here, it says congratulations, you just received a new reward of $1122. Okay, and similarly guys, here is another person by the name of Nate. He made $4,757 10 days ago. 1 month ago, $5,745. Okay, $1,926, $3,135. So basically guys, this is a high ticket affiliate marketing. Okay, and I will show you what is the system. And here in this program, the commission is $1,122. Okay, so if the commission is $1,122, let's say, like, if you get, let's calculate here, 1122 multiply 5. So let's say you get 5 sale in 1 month. Okay, so that would be $5,610 per month with just 5 sale. And let's say if you make 10 sale in a month. Okay, so that would be 11,000, over $10,000 per month from only 10 sale. So basically guys, like I told you, this is a high ticket. Okay, and I have put the link in the description. So when you will click that link, you're gonna land on this page. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to click here, get instant access, and you have to create your account here. Okay, and this is affiliate marketing training. This will go in deep. Okay, day 1, day 2, day 3, and it will show you how to set up the system and how to set up your dashboard, everything. Okay, now guys, after you have set up your system, what will happen is the front end cost. Okay, it will cost you $7. Okay, so the front end cost is the $7. Then there is upgrade of $97. The second upgrade is $147, and the third upgrade is $1,497. But here is the thing, what you're gonna do is, and what I did as well, I signed up for this front end $7. Okay, and then I just skip these two. Okay, 97 and 147. So similarly you have to do this. Go ahead on the link. Okay, sign up the $7 and skip these two and directly go to the 1497. Okay, and what will happen is, when you go to your members area after signing up the $7, you will see a restricted area called freedom breakthrough. Okay, so there you will be clicking and you will be signing for 1497. So from this 1497 guys, the commission is $1,122. So that's what the 75% commission of the program. Okay, so what are you gonna do to make commissions like this or this? You have to follow these 3 steps. Okay, that I'm giving you here. Number 1 step is sign up on $7. Okay, I will put the step 1 below. Number 2 is sign up on this one-time payment, or you can sign up with 3 payment of $597. Okay, and then message me on Facebook saying I am ready to make 5k a month. Okay, after that what will happen guys, I will train you and mentor you in a special Facebook group. Okay, I will train you. Okay, I'll mentor you, I'll give you training on how to promote this program. So basically what I'm doing and what a lot of people is doing is they are doing TikTok. Okay, TikTok organic method. So simply you will be uploading 3 to 4 video which will be less than 1 minute long, okay, and you will be uploading these videos on TikTok every day. 3 to 4 is enough, okay, and you will be sending emails to your leads, okay. I will also train you what to write in the email so that those leads convert into actual sale, okay. So what you will be doing is, the promotion thing is, you will make TikTok video, okay, you will make a TikTok video, okay, 3 to 4 video, okay, 3 to 4 video that will be about 1 minute long, okay, or less than 1 minute long, okay. I will tell you what type of content you will make on TikTok, okay. I will tell you what type of video you will make, okay. This Facebook group, where is that? Yeah, this Facebook group, I will train you, okay, one-on-one. I will give you the example of videos that you will be making to put on the TikTok. Now thing is, what will be the time you will be spending every day, okay. So you will be spending, guys, 1 to 1.5 hour a day, okay. This much time you need to spend on this business, guys, to make that 5K a month, okay, to make those sales. So and for the email, okay, for the email, you will be using GetResponse, okay, and GetResponse cost $15, okay. So this is the thing, guys, this is the complete roadmap, okay. You will make TikTok videos which I will show you, I will tell you, I will give you example, everything, one-on-one training in special Facebook group. You will spend this much time, okay, and you will be sending emails to your TikTok leads using GetResponse, which cost about $15, okay. So guys, what I will say you is, if you want to make this $1,000 commission, okay, this $1,000 commission, okay, what I will say you is, simply go ahead, okay, complete this 3 step from the description, okay, and then message me on Facebook, okay, and I will help you to get going the system and to make 4 to 5 grand a month, okay. And second thing, guys, you have to be ready, okay, you have to be ready to be consistent, okay. You have to be consistent. So this is the thing, guys, okay. All the results that you are seeing, these people are not doing affiliate marketing for 3 to 4 years, okay. They are not a super affiliate, but they are making these big commissions because they are following this simple formula, okay, which I will show you in the special group. So go ahead, okay, complete this 3 step, guys, and I will work with you one-on-one. I will help you to make those commission. Thanks. See you inside.